We have Goodbye Blue Sky by Pink Floyd. And this one, there's a lot to this, so let's kind of break this down. The beginning of this is that. So let me play you the beginning of this, and then let's break down this whole little piece here. That thing right there. So what's happening is we've got this sort of ostinato thing happening here between 4 and 5, the 4th string and the 5th string. We're starting on the 5th string, going to the 4th string. I'm playing 5 and 4 here, okay? And then as soon as I get done with, I'm going to go to either the 2nd fret of the 4th string with the 3rd string open, or the second time around, I just go to the 3rd string open. So I have, and then, you see, those are the two. They're subtle, but you can hear the difference. Now, in order to play this one, I've got to get my ring finger out of the way, right? Then it's got to get back. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we have this little dissension. And what's happening there is I'm playing 4, 2 on the 4th string, and then 3, 2, 0 as a pull-off. And with that pull-off, it's not always easy. I mean, this song is very dynamic, so when you're playing, even the beginning with the... Be careful that the 2 and 0 and the open 3rd string aren't really loud compared to the rest of it. Try and keep those maybe even a little less in volume. As opposed to the 5 and the 4 that you're playing. Otherwise, it gets really overwhelming if you go. And it just rings out like really loud over the top. So if you bring those back just a little bit, be cognizant about that. Okay, and then you've got your, and when you do that pull off, you know, try to not make it super loud. Okay, and that leads us to the next thing. And right from there, so what's happening is I'm playing this, again, this bass line here, just this A over and over, and I'm playing along with that bass line. So I have, and it's the last one where they wind up together. The rest of them are all back and forth. Then you've got, and it goes back. So right there, you're doing a chromatic line from 4, 5, and 6. Now you're back on 4 and 5 again, only this time you're just going 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string. Like that. Then the next part we move into, we're going up 7th fret of the 2nd string, 5th fret, 3rd, 2nd fret. Again, this bass line now is on D. And right there, you're going to have one open 4th between these two 2s here. So I have right here. And then as soon as we go back to that 2 again the second time, we're going to do a hammer-on pull-off to 3, and then subtly hit the 4th string, right like that. Again, don't make it really loud. And now we're doing the same pattern we did on 5 and 4, only this time we're doing 2 and 4. See, it's a weird little rhythm. That 4 is kind of, it's really not that important. You know what I mean? Most important is that you get here on the downbeat. just like that. You see, real subtle in the background. And even this isn't a strong, it's not a big, strong one, you know, hammer on pull-up. It's real subtle. Everything about this song is really dynamic. Just like that. So this is a great song to learn how to play as well.